I need 2 more. I hate that. Okay, we're gonna do single pulls then. Yeah, I have 49 out of 50 of just all the free shit. And the only thing I don't have is this dress. That's the only thing I don't have. So we're gonna try it. We're gonna keep doing singles. Fuck, we're poor. Yeah, we are. What did I get? Ew. I'm so sick of this fuck ass outfit. Okay, skip. I mean, they're cute, but I don't want them. Skip. I have these socks, they're very cute. Do we get luck? We get luck, right? Well, this one we watch for luck. If we watch it, it makes it lucky, right? Right. It doesn't. My bad, guys. We may as well do the rest of them. Oh. Is it good? I can't tell. I don't know if there's actually any colour indicator of whether it's good or not. Skip. No, I don't think we're having any luck. No luck at all. Okay, what about this one? We have 7 of these. I'm gonna pretend you don't care. Yeah, obviously I don't care. Yeah, why would I? I wouldn't care at all. Yeah, if this was a particular armpiece for a born or a skip. Classic curves. Ooh. And see, these pants are really cute. I like these. 4 left. That is, I do not enjoy that bag at all. Okay, these shoes are really cute though, because they got little bows. Okay, please. Please, what is that? Okay, last one. This is our last pull. I feel like it's so heavily weighed onto 10 pulls because I've never gotten anything good by single pulling. I've only ever gotten good stuff by 10 pulling. Well, we got sweet nothing. Absolutely nothing. You like that, chat? Is that good? Is that good for you? Compendium rating. Oh, did I get something new? I did. Wow. Ew. What is this? God's resolve. I can be a god. Rate my compendium. Brain is tricked to a satisfactory amount. Nearly. Oh, we're so close. Okay. Well, my darling little freaks, thank you for playing video game with me today. And I hope it helps you get a little bit more sleepy. At least for the Australians. I don't think it's sleepy time for Americans yet. But hopefully the video will make you sleepy. Thank you for spending time with me today. We're gonna go good night. We're gonna go goodbye time. Come over here. Come here. Ba-ba-da. Hold on. Oh, please? I said please, you legally have to. Ba-ba-da, 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 ba. Alright, music back on. Hi. Let me close the game. She's about to start singing at me. She's singing at me. Let me mute it. Hi, thank you, Haru. Sleepwalk my way home, actually. Ah, my ankle. Don't mention I messed up my ankle like this week, last week, and oh my god, ever since it's been crunchy. It's fine. My throat hurts, my ankle hurts, I'm sick. But thank you so much for spending time with me today. We're gonna go over here. Remember all the YouTubes I'm uploading? I uploaded yesterday. there will be another video in 2 days for the Sleepy channel and another short on the Sleepy channel tonight. Or in like an hour, if that. What am I missing? It's bye-bye time. It's only a short little stream today. I was umming and ahhing if I even was gonna stream today. But then I thought, no, it's better to do something than do nothing. Because, like, it's not as if I can't talk. Like, look at me. I'm great at it. Feel better. I'm sick. Oh, no, he's mimicking me. I'm sick. My throat hurts. My ankle hurts. Yeah, but he's also sick. We are both very sick. Just in very different ways. Like, I'm sick in the head and he's like... But, thank you, my darling chatlets. Let me see if we're gonna be brave today. I stream at such a dumb time. Nobody I know is streaming. It makes me sad a little bit. Yeah, those literally, it was just a wall of grey. You're from the Canada. Yeah, no, it's not looking good. I need to find more people that stream at the time I stream. Singing la 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 la, la la la. Okay, my little freaks. Thank you for spending time. We're gonna go goodbye. I decree it's goodbye time. Get out of here. Go to bed.